If you're looking for a simple project to make with some of those t-shirts that are filling your drawers, stay tuned because today on Craft to Care we'll be making these cute hair ties. I'm Diane and I'm so glad you're here. These t-shirt hair ties are fun, quick, and easy enough for anyone to make. So let's get started. All you'll need is some t-shirts or some scrap pieces left over for making jump ropes like the sleeves. We also need a scissor for cutting our strips of t-shirt yarn. And you'll also need some bought hair ties. Now to get started, we're going to take our sleeve piece and I'm going to cut off any stitching that is in there. Now if you're using just the bottom part of a t-shirt, the middle part that doesn't have any stitching, you wouldn't need to do this step. But if you're working with a piece of t-shirt that has any stitching in it from seams or hems, then you would need to cut that off first because we don't want any of those pieces in with our yarn that we're using to make the hair ties. Then we're going to stretch that out a little so we get an idea of what length we're working with. And then I'm going to cut strips that are about 1/2 inch wide for our t-shirt yarn for these hair ties. And if I cut it about that wide, then when I stretch it out, it gets to be a nice thickness to put on the hairband. So I'm going to decide on a length. I generally do 4 to 5 inches. I found if I get too long, then sometimes in the hair tie it gets caught up when the girls are trying to put it in their hair. So 4 to 5 inches seems to be a nice length that works well. And then I'm going to cut some more strips, so I end up with about 6 of the red strips. And I've previously cut some blue strips and some orange ones. Sometimes I like to mix them up in the hairband. Now we take our stretchy hairband and simply start tying the little strips of t-shirt fabric on there. Just a single knot. You can see that. And I'm just going to tie on my blue strips to begin with. Now I generally tie on about 9 to 10 of these strips. It's up to you how many you want to put on, but I've found that if I go much above 9 or 10, that it gets hard for my daughters to put it in their hair because it doesn't stretch as well with too many tied on there, and also they have the problem of them getting all caught up in the hairband as they're trying to twist it into their hair. Now I'm going to mix in some red just to add some extra color, so I'm doing every other one in red, and it's as simple as that. You're done. You can make just dozens of these in no time. So this is a great project for any age. They can just tie these on there and you can have a bunch of brand new hair ties for yourself or to put in Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes. I hope you enjoyed this project, and for more great DIY gift ideas, hit that subscribe button for new videos each week here at Craft to Care.